Hello guys, welcome back to Geeky Engineer and hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for your previous responses and let's start the session. In this session, we're gonna design a headlamp for Royal Enfield Bullet. We're gonna take our inspiration from the web. We're gonna design a mixture of classic and modern headlamp. So let's begin to search our inspiration through the web. So we're gonna take this projector one and this classic one and we're gonna make a fusion. And let me tell you, this one is quite famous here in India. So this headlamp is quite famous. So let's start and begin our process of designing. So let's jump into the Fusion 360 environment. Basically, it's a non-dimensional. We are not going to take too much accuracy on the dimensions right now because we are just I just want to give you a rough example like how to design, how to begin and how to go with the steps. So let's start regardless of the accurate dimensions, because few of the companies that are building the headlight in India, they like don't disclose few of the stuff. So but it is clear that to the dimensioning of the chassis, that it contains a 7-inch headlamp. So let's begin. So it's our new file. First of all, we have to sketch our headlamp. So you have to go into the sketch and then you have to click on the create, and here we are taking the center diameter circle. So basically it starts with the center, that's why it's called center diameter circle, and we'll type here the 7-inch. So Fusion gonna take it and here's a 7-inch diameter circle. So after that we have to make few of the stuffs in it. So let me just plot like where our projector gonna be, where our lens gonna be in this headlamp. So for that, let's take the center as a position for our lens, and let us assume the lens gonna be 50 mm, and this time we will take a 2-point circle like this, and let's take a 30 mm diameter circle. We can later on change the position according to the need. So after that, what we're gonna do is we have to make a inner circle. It's 177. Let's take it as 10 mm less. So 167 be fine. Now let's just make a boundary for that. So we'll take a 3 mm or a 4 mm. Let's take 4 mm for the outer boundary for the holder of the lens, and we'll take the same for the lower circle, make it 4 mm. Now these two circles are intersecting. Basically what we need to do is we can basically modify it. To the move. You can move these two circles. Yeah, that would look fine. So that's the position of the second circle. Go into edit sketch. Click OK. Then try to revolve this whole stuff.
Thanks for watching this video. Press the bell icon and subscribe for more.